Alrighty, Mark, here's your 302 small block Ford. Here's your twist combination. Got the bar ass gas in. Custom camshaft. The Edelbrock manifold. Brawler carburetor. MSD distributor. Got a wheel rotating kit with custom DSS pistons. Here's some ball fan. Going to make a run. See what it does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, Beaks for 350 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque power 371, rated at 350, so everything's good. What we'll do now, pull the bike back, make sure it's good and clean for you. I'll show you a couple other things. We're going to see if we can find the thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. You have your engine number from other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code, take you to more tech stuff. Have a great day.